ஜெய் ஸ்ரீ மாதாஜி. அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். அனைவரும் ஸ்ரீ மாதாஜியின் புகைப்படத்திற்கு முன்னாடி உட்கார்ந்து தியானம் செய்வதற்கு நாம் தயார் செய்து கொள்வோம். We will all sit in front of Sri Mataji's photograph and prepare ourselves for today's meditation. We will all now collectively bow down to Sri Mataji, raise the Kundalini and put ourselves to Bandhan. நாம் கூட்டாக ஸ்ரீ மாதாஜியிடம் வணங்கி குண்டலினியை உயர்த்தி பந்தன் செய்து கொள்ளலாம். ஸ்ரீ மாதாஜி, இன்றைக்கு இந்த தியானத்தை துவங்குவதற்கு தயவு செய்து தங்கள் அனுமதியை தாருங்கள் தாயே. Mother, please grant us the permission to start today's meditation session. We can keep the right hand on our heart, left hand to Sri Mataji. நம்மளுடைய வலது உள்ளங்கையை இதயத்தில் வைத்துக் கொள்ளலாம். தாயே, தயவு செய்து எனது இதயத்துள் வாருங்கள். தாயே, எனது இதயத்தை தூய்மைப்படுத்த அனுமதி தாருங்கள். தங்களது மலர் பாதங்கள் எங்கள் இதயத்தை அலங்கரிக்கட்டும். தங்களது திருப்பாதங்களை பூஜிக்க அனுமதி தாருங்கள். நான் போலியான மாயையில் கட்டுப்படாமல் இருக்க அருள் புரியுங்கள். உலக மாயையிலிருந்து என்னை விடுவித்து உண்மையின் பக்கம் நிலைபெறச் செய்யுங்கள். எனக்குள்ளிருக்கும் ஆரவாரத்தையும் ஆர்ப்பரிப்பையும் நீக்குங்கள். தாயே, தங்களது திருப்பாதங்களில் ஆனந்தத்தை அனுபவிக்க அருள் புரியுங்கள். தங்களது பரம பவித்திரமான திருப்பாதங்களை எனது இதயத்தில் தரிசிக்க அனுமதி தாருங்கள். We'll say a short prayer to our mother. Mother, please come in my heart. Let me clean my heart so that you are there. Put your feet into my heart. Let your feet be worshipped in my heart. Let me not be in delusion. Take me away from illusions. Keep me in reality. Take away the sheen of superficiality. Let me enjoy your feet in my heart. Let me see your feet in my heart. Let us keep both the palms towards Sri Mataji. Attention in the Sahasrara. நாம் இரு உள்ளங்கைகளையும் ஸ்ரீ மாதாஜி நோக்கி வைத்திருந்து கவனத்தை உச்சந்தலையில் வைத்திருப்போம். இப்பொழுது நாம் 3 மகா மந்திரங்களை பாடல் ரீதியாக பாடுவோம். பிறகு கணேச மந்திரத்தை உச்சரிப்போம். We will now sing the 3 great Maha Mantras followed by the Ganesha Mantra.
श्री कल्की साक्षात् श्री सहस्रार स्वामिनी मोक्ष प्रदायिनी माताजी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः। त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री गणेश साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः।
Jai Shri Mataji. Now let's keep both our hands on Mother Earth. நாம் நமது 2 கைகளையும் பூமி மீது வைத்து பிரார்த்தனை செய்வோம். Mother, please remove all the impurities from my body. தாயே, என்னுள் இருக்கும் அனைத்து பாதாக்களையும் தோஷங்களையும் பூமி தத்துவத்தின் வழியாக நீக்கி அருள் புரியுங்கள். Let's recite Shri Bhumi Mata Mantra. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Bhumi Mata Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Now slowly we'll keep our left hand on our lap. மெதுவாக நமது இடது கையை மடியில் வைத்து பிரார்த்தனை செய்வோம். Mother, please remove all the impure desires, negativities and badas from my left side channel. தாயே, எனது இடது நாடியில் உள்ள அனைத்து எதிர்மறை சக்திகளையும் பாதாக்களையும் பூமி தத்துவத்தின் வழியாக நீக்கிவிடுங்கள். Let's recite Shri Mahakali Shri Bhairavanath Mantra. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Mahakali Shri Bhairavanath Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Now slowly we'll keep our right hand on lap, left hand towards sky. மெதுவாக நமது வலது கையை மடியில் வைத்து இடது கையை ஆகாயத்தை நோக்கி வைத்து பிரார்த்தனை செய்வோம். Mother, please remove all excessive hate and futuristic thoughts from my right side channel. தாயே, எனது வலது நாடியில் உள்ள அதிக உஷ்ணத்தையும் பாதாக்களையும் ஆகாய தத்துவத்தின் வழியாக நீக்கி அருள் புரியுங்கள் தாயே. Let's recite Shri Mahasaraswati Shri Ganesha Mantra. Tvameva Sakshat Shri Mahasaraswati Shri Hanumana Sakshat Shri Adishakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha. இப்போது மெதுவாக 2 கைகளையும் மடியில் வைத்து கவனத்தை உச்சந்தலையில் வைத்து பிரார்த்தனை செய்வோம். Let's keep both our hands on lap, attention on Sahasrara Chakra and pray. Mother, please help me to be in balance. Mother, let me feel you in each and every cell of my body. Mother, let me feel your love. தாயே, என்னை சமநிலையில் இருக்க உதவி செய்யுங்கள். Let's recite Shri Mahalakshmi Shri Ganesha Mantra. Tvameva Sakshat Shri Mahalakshmi Shri Ganesha Sakshat Shri Adishakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Now slowly we'll raise our attention to Sahasrara and be in meditation.
ஜெய் ஸ்ரீ மாதாஜி. இப்பொழுது திருவடியே திருவடியே என்ற தமிழ் பஜனை பாடுவோம். We will now sing a Tamil bhajan, திருவடியே திருவடியே.
திருவடியே திருவடியே ஸ்ரீ நிர்மல தேவிய திருவடி திருவடியே 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 ஸ்ரீ நிர்மல தேவிய திருவடியே 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 ஸ்ரீ நிர்மல தேவிய திருவடியே திருவடியே என்னை ஆட்சி செய்யும் திருவடியே மோட்சம் தந்திடும் திருவடியே என்னை ஆட்சி செய்யும் திருவடியே வேதத்தின் பொருளும் திருவடியே வேள்வியின் பயனும் திருவடியே வேதத்தின் பொருளும் திருவடியே வேள்வியின் பயனும் திருவடியே அசுரர்கள் ஆஜிடும் திருவடியே அசுரர்கள் ஆஜிடும் திருவடியே தேவர்கள் வணங்கிடும் திருவடியே 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 ஸ்ரீ நிர்மல தேவியின் திருவடியே 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 ஸ்ரீ நிர்மல தேவியின் திருவடியே சூரிய சந்திரன் திருவடியே சூரிய சந்திரன் திருவடியே இரேழு லோகமும் திருவடியே சூரிய சந்திரன் திருவடியே இரேழு லோகமும் திருவடியே இருவினை அறுத்திடும் திருவடியே அற்புதம் புரிந்திடும் திருவடியே இருவினை அறுத்திடும் திருவடியே அற்புதம் புரிந்திடும் திருவடியே ஆதாரத்தில் துணையும் திருவடியே ஆதாரத்தில் துணையும் திருவடியே ஆதாரத்தில் துணையும் திருவடியே ஆராதனை குகழ்ந்த திருவடியே 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 ஸ்ரீ நிர்மல தேவியின் திருவடியே 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 ஸ்ரீ நிர்மல தேவியின் திருவடியே என் சுழுமுனை வழியினில் திருவடியே என் சுழுமுனை வழியினில் திருவடியே சகஸ்ர கமலத்தில் திருவடியே சுழுமுனை வழியினில் திருவடியே சகஸ்ர கமலத்தில் திருவடியே ஸ்ரீ நிர்மல தேவியில் திருவடியே ஸ்ரீ நிர்மல தேவியின் திருவடியே 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 ஸ்ரீ நிர்மல தேவியின் திருவடியே 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 ஸ்ரீ நிர்மல தேவியின் திருவடியே
கவனம் மூலாதார சக்கரத்தில் வைத்துக் கொள்ளவும். தாயே, தாங்களே கணேச தத்துவமாகவும் பூமி தத்துவமாகவும் இருக்கின்றீர்கள். தயவு செய்து எங்களை சமநிலையில் இருக்கச் செய்யுங்கள். கணேச மந்த்ரா. ஓம் துவமேவ சாக்ஷாத் ஸ்ரீ கணேஷ கௌரி மாதா சாக்ஷாத் ஸ்ரீ ஆதிசக்தி மாதாஜி ஸ்ரீ நிர்மலா தேவியை நமோ நம. கவனம் ஸ்வதிஷ்டான சக்கரம். தாயே, எங்களுக்கு தூய் அறிவை தாருங்கள். மதர், ப்ளீஸ் கிவ் அஸ் பியூர் நாலேஜ். Here we will recite Brahmadeva Saraswati mantra. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Brahmadeva Saraswati Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai நமோ நமः. கவனம் நாபி சக்கரத்தில் வைத்துக் கொள்வோம். தாயே, எங்களுக்கு அமைதியையும் திருப்தியையும் மன நிறைவுகளையும் தாருங்கள். மதர், ப்ளீஸ் bless us with peace, satisfaction and contentment. We will recite Sri Lakshmi Narayana Mantra. Om Tvameva Sakshat Sri Lakshmi Narayana Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namah. கவனம் அனகாத சக்கரம். தாயே, தாங்களே ஸ்ரீ துர்கா மாதாவாக இருந்து எங்களை தங்களது பாதுகாப்பு எல்லைக்குள் வைத்திருக்கிறீர்கள். மதர், யூ ஆர் ஸ்ரீ துர்கா மாதா. யூ ஆர் கீப்பிங் எஸ் அண்டர் யுவர் பவுண்டரி ஆஃப் ப்ரொடெக்ஷன். Here recite Jai Jagadamba 12 times. Jai Jagadamba, 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 Jai Jagadamba. கவனம் விஷந்தி சக்கரத்தில் நிறுத்திக் கொள்வோம். தாயே, தயவு செய்து எங்களை சாட்சி பாவத்தில் இருக்கச் செய்யுங்கள். மதர், ப்ளீஸ் கீப் us in witnessing state. Here we will recite Sri Radha Krishna mantra. Om Tvameva Sakshat Sri Radha Krishna Sakshat Sri Adi Shakti Mataji Sri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namah. கவனம் ஆக்யா சக்கரத்தில். தாயே, எங்களை எளிமையானவர்களாகவும் தன்னடக்கம் கொண்டவர்களாகவும் நிலை பெறச் செய்யுங்கள். மதர், ப்ளீஸ் bless us with the simple and harmonious person. இரண்டு கையையும் நெற்றியின் பக்கவாட்டில் வைத்துக் கொள்வோம். பீஜ மந்திரம் கூறுவோம். Keep both hands on top of the temple, both temple. 2 times we will recite Bija mantra. Hum Sham Hum Sham. கவனம் சகசார சக்கரத்தில் உச்சந்தலைக்கு மேல் 3 அங்குலத்திற்கு மேல் நிறுத்திக் கொள்வோம். நிர்விச்சாரா மந்திரம் கூறி தியானத்தில் இருப்போம். Attention at Sahasrara. We will recite Nirvichara mantra and stay in meditation for few minutes. Om Tvameva Sakshat Sri Nirvichara Sakshat Sri Adi Shakti Mataji Sri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namah. साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै நமோ நம. தாயே, எங்களுக்கு ஆனந்தமான அனுபவத்தை கொடுத்ததற்கு கொடான கோடி நன்றி தாயே. Shri Mataji, thank you very much for this wonderful experience. Again and again, thank you, Shri Mataji. Jai Shri Mataji.
இப்பொழுது நாம் தியான நிலையில் ஸ்ரீ மாதாஜியின் சொற்பொழிவை கேட்போம். We'll continue to be in meditative state and listen to Shri Mataji's speech.
So, before coming to Sahaja Yoga, it was all right. You were doing all kinds of things, and you would have smoothly gone to hell without any difficulties. It is very easy to go to hell. You can take 2 running jumps and go to hell. The rest of it you should see. But going to hell is the easiest thing. For that you don't have to work hard or do anything about it. But when you are ascending, when you are rising, then it is little difficult. You have to be careful that you should not falter, you should not fall, and that you are ascending. So you have to be very alert about yourself that you are not falling into the same habits which you had. Some people have a habit of saving money at the cost of Sahaja Yoga. Some have a habit of making money at the cost of Sahaja Yoga. Some people have habit of not giving the due amount, and like that. It's something of cheating. They all go out of Sahaja Yoga in no time. They may be looking like great leaders in the beginning, but they go out just like that. And many a time people tell me, Mother, why don't you keep a proper account and all that? But in Sahaja Yoga, I am not supposed to keep any accounts or anything, because my accountants are Sahaja Yogas. If you try to play tricks with Sahaja Yoga, immediately you are pushed down in your awareness, in your Nabhi Chakra. You are never helped. You may make 1,000 rupees here, but you will lose thousands of rupees. You might get into trouble. You will have any kind of a problem that I cannot tell. And then you will say, how did I get this problem? So, Nabhi Chakra, if you are not honest in your seeking, honesty of seeking not only means I want to seek, it also means what is your behavior is towards yourself and towards others. You have to be honest to yourself that you sit down for meditation, try to improve your Antar Yoga, try to make your thoughtless awareness, this feeling of thoughtlessness, wider and wider. Try to achieve that state where you really feel thoughtless. So the honesty lies as you rise higher and higher, deeper and deeper into your own being. First you depend on me, that after all Mother is going to do everything. When I went to Mother, my Sahasrara opened up. This thing happened, then this thing happened. But what about you doing something that helps you to open your Sahasrara? So opening of the Sahasrara is very important. Now surprisingly, it is so placed that Sahasrara has got the Brahmarandra at the level where there is, at the point where there is the heart chakra. So, we must know that Brahmarandra is directly connected to your heart. If it is not done from the heart, superficially done Sahaja Yoga, you cannot go very high. You have to put your full heart into it. That is the main thing. Like people, they come to Sahaja and they are murmuring behind. This could have been like that could have been like that, all those things. All such people also are what Christ calls as murmuring souls. He said that be careful about these murmuring souls. Those who go on murmuring behind and taking advantage as if they are trying to save others. All such people also can suffer a lot because they are doing a double game, and such a double game is very dangerous when you enter into the kingdom of God. Any kingdom you are member of, any kingdom, if you are treacherous to that kingdom, you are punished. But in the God's kingdom, it's so blissful, absolutely blissful. Complete blessings are poured on, absolutely with everything. Health, wealth, mental, emotional, all kinds of prosperity you can get in Sahaja Yoga, no doubt. But when you are so much blessed, you are also forgiven and forgiven and forgiven, and there is a long rope given to you to hang yourself, but you really hang fully. It's not halfway. So those people who think they can be dishonest with Sahaja Yoga have to be very careful. Please don't do it. If you don't like to be in Sahaja Yoga, you better go away. It's better from your point of view and from our point of view also. Because in case you are dishonest, you are trying to play tricks and games, and you suffer, and you look funny and strange, then people will say, what's wrong with Sahaja? So we will unnecessarily suffer. Because we cannot show you in the mirror that this man has been very, very disloyal. We cannot show that. So it will bring a bad name to us, first of all. And secondly, you will be harmed by this kind of a thing. If you are harmed, then also we'll have a bad name, that how could it happen? But if you are honest about Sahaja Yoga and about your seeking, you don't know how much God looks after you. Anybody who tries to do any harm to you will be very badly harmed and removed from your path. God protects you out and out, and He looks after you with complete attention and care. And He is so loving that description of His compassion cannot be given in words, but can be only felt and understood. Now the problem is, people who are dishonest are, because of their background sometimes, because of their education, because of their upbringing, or maybe because they are cowards. But there is also another thing that can make you dishonest, is your Purva Janmas, and that's how you take your birth and your Kundali is made like that. But after realization, those people who are of a great valor and great strength ascend so fast that all the problems of the stars, all the problems of your nakshatras and all that, constellations, everything disappears, and you become a Sahaja Yogi, means a newly born, absolutely a different personality. It has nothing to do from where you have come. Like an egg becoming a beautiful bird. So this Kundalini, when it arrives here, the first hurdle the Kundalini has to enter into Sahasrara is Ekadasha Rudra, is here. There are 11 Rudra Shaktis, 11 destroying Shaktis placed here. 5 on this side, 5 on the other side, and 1 in the center. These are obstruction within us built by two kinds of sins we commit. If we bow our head to wrong type of gurus and submit ourselves to their vicious ways, then we develop Rudra problems on the left hand side. These 5 go out. If you have, I think it's the other way now. If you have bowed, because I've never bowed to anybody wrong, so I don't know what to say. The mistake comes from there. If you bow to someone who is a wrong type of a person and who is anti-God, then the problem comes on this side of the thing, on the right side. If you have the sense that I can look after myself, I am my own guru, who can teach me, I don't want to listen to anybody, and I don't believe in God, who is God, I just don't care for God. All such feeling, if you have, then your right side doesn't catch, but the left side catches. Because right side moves this side and the left side this side. So these 10 things, and one is Virata Vishnu, because also in the stomach we have got 10 Guru Sthanas and one that of Vishnu. So the seeking is also wrong, as well as these 10 Gurus are there. Then you develop this Ekadasha Rupa. When this thing is set in within you, as I said, one on this side, one on that side. So those people who are bowed to wrong type of people develop a temperament or a kind of a personality which is very vulnerable for incurable diseases like cancer and all that. You may develop cancer or any such disease. Those who are bowed to wrong type of people. Now those who think I am better than anybody else, I don't care for God, I don't want God, I have nothing to do, all such people develop the left side Ekadasha. And left side Ekadasha is extremely dangerous too, because such people develop the problems of the right side, heart attacks, physically I am saying, and all other problems of the right side. So one of the greatest hurdles of Kundalini entering into Sahasrara is this Ekadasha Rupa, which comes from void. And which covers the Medha, is the plate of the brain. And that is how it cannot enter into the limbic area. Even those who have been to wrong gurus, if they have reached right conclusion and surrendered themselves to Sahaja Yoga, accepting their mistakes and saying that I am my own guru, they can be cured. And those who have been thinking that I am above all, I don't believe in God, who is God, I don't believe in any prophets or anything against God or prophets is the same. anti-God personality who talks like that, who develops the problems, gets alright if he humbles down himself and accepts Sahaja Yoga is the only way of entering into the super consciousness. I have seen people who have been tantrikas are being saved. I have seen people who have done all kinds of wrong things have been saved. Those people who were members of very funny, strange organizations have been saved. But it is very difficult to convince anyone that whatever they are doing has been wrong and they should come to right path. So, a star came to play its part called Pluto. And this star is the one which has brought cancer disease, because Pluto is the one that cures cancer or all such diseases which are incurable. So those people who just go headlong into wrong paths suffer from funny type of heart troubles, palpitations, insomnia, vomitings, giddiness, all sorts of, we can say, irrelevant talking. It is a very serious thing to go to a wrong guru and bow to him. Sahasrara becomes a closed area for such a person. The persons who are against Sahaja Yoga have a very strong Sahasrara, like a nut, in the sense that it's such a strong shell that you cannot just break it. It's a strong shell, like a thick nut. Even if you want to use a hammer, you cannot break it. Today, the time has come that you have to recognize Sahaja Yoga. You have to. You did not recognize any saints, any prophets, anyone, any incarnations. But today the condition is that you have to recognize. If you do not recognize it, your Sahasrara cannot be opened, because this is the time when the Sahasrara was opened and you have to have your realization. So it's a very important thing that you have to recognize Sahaja Yoga. There are many people who say that, Mother, why to believe in Sahaja Yoga this way? We can just call you just Mother, you could be my mother. See? Alright, doesn't matter. But you can't get your realization. And even if you get it, you cannot retain it. So you have to recognize. Recognition is the only worship of Sahaja Yoga. Recognition is the only worship when you want to know God in Sahaja Yoga. All the other ganas, devtas, deities, shaktis are one in unison in Sahaja Yoga. And anyone who does not recognize Sahaja Yoga, they just are not bothered about you, what sort of a person you are. For example, a man who worships Shiva, he comes to me and I find his heart is catching. Surprising. He says, Mother, I worship Shiva. How is it my heart is catching? I said, you have to recognize Sahajiva. Just ask Shiva. And when he asks the questions to Shiva, then only the vibrations start flowing. So, Sahasrara takes charge that it makes you recognize, and also it convinces you to prove it. And by this proving, even if you are not recognizing, then you cannot get your realization. But those who recognize also recognize partly. They take liberties, they behave in a funny manner without understanding that who is this person who is here. I have seen many a times, I am talking, people are just putting their hands up, Kundalini, they are just talking, chit-chatting. I am surprised, because if you have recognized, then you should know whom you are facing. Because it's not for my good, I am not going to lose anything. But only you in your ascent have not recognized. That shows that you have not yet recognized. And the way some people try to monopolize me also is absolutely wrong. There is no need to monopolize me. Nobody can monopolize. There are some people who say that mother must have misunderstood. I never misunderstand. There is no question. Or some people try to tell me do this, do that. That also not necessary. Try to open yourself to this protocol, which is very important in Sahaja Yoga, which I have told for the first time today. That you must try to recognize in a full way. And if you do not recognize, I am sorry, I can't give you the realization it will sustain. It will start, but it may not sustain. So this is the simplest way of achieving your higher things, is by recognizing gradually and recognizing gradually. It is very difficult to tell anybody if something is wrong with that person. It's impossible. After Sahaja Yoga, I can tell you this chakra is catching, that chakra is catching. But also because you know what does that chakra means, you can come back on me, no mother, you see it's not so, I am not. That's not so. Why should I tell you are catching? You have to cleanse yourself with full honesty. But first thing is to recognize with full humility and understanding. Once you have recognized, gradually you will do everything that has to be done. You know what is to be done. Now the essence of Sahasrara is integration. In Sahasrara all the chakras are there, so all the deities get integrated. And you can feel their integration. That means when you get your Kundalini in Sahasrara, your mental, emotional and your spiritual, everything being becomes one. Your physical being also merges into it. Then you have no problem as to, yes, I love mother, but I'm sorry, I have to steal this money. Yes, I know, I recognize mother. Yes, I know she's great, but I can't help it. I have to tell her lies. Or I have to do this wrong thing because after all, I can't help it. There is no compromise with me. It has to be completely integrated. Your dharma should be corrected. You cannot do anything wrong and then say I am a Sahaja Yogi. You cannot. But for this, the strength comes from within. Your spirit strengthens you. You must just put in your willpower that yes, let my spirit act. And then you start acting according to the spirit. Once you start acting according to the spirit, you find you have no slavery of anything. You become samarth, means equal to your meanings. Samartha, also samarth means powerful personality. So you develop that powerful personality which has no temptations, which has no wrong ideas, which has no catches, no problems. But people who are sneaky, sly, try to play some tricks, are really harming themselves, not Sahaja Yoga. Sahaja Yoga is going to be, it has been and will be, is going to be established. Even if there are 10 people in the boat, God is not bothered. It's only my botheration as a mother. As a mother, I want many people to come up in the boat. But don't try to jump back by doing all dishonest things. So this is what it is simple, that you are integrated. By integration, you get the power to do what you understand, and you have power to feel happy with what you understand. So you come to a stage where you develop this Nirananda. And this Nirananda you develop when you are absolutely the spirit.
தொடர்ந்து நாம் தியானத்தில் இருக்கலாம். Let us be in meditation for some time. Let us all prepare for the Aarti. நாம் ஆர்த்தி செய்வதற்கு தயார் செய்து கொள்வோம். ஜெய் ஸ்ரீ மாதாஜி. அனைவரும் எழுந்து கொள்ளலாம் ஆர்த்தி செய்வதற்கு. Let us all stand up for ஆர்த்தி.
सबको दुआ देना माँ, सबको दुआ देना। जय निर्मल माता जी, जय निर्मल माता जी, दिल में सदा रहना माँ। सबको दुआ देना, सबको दुआ देना, माँ सबको दुआ देना। जय निरमल माता जी, जय निरमल माता जी, दिल में सदा रहना, माँ सबको दुआ देना। जग में संकट कारण कितने दिए अवतार, माँ कितने दिए अवतार। विश्व में तेरी महिमा, विश्व में तेरी महिमा, तू गंगा यमुना, माँ सबको दुआ देना, सबको दुआ देना, माँ सबको दुआ देना। जय निरमल माता जी, जय निरमल माता जी, दिल में सदा रहना, माँ सबको दुआ देना। जो भी शरण में आया सुख ही मिला उसको, माँ सुख ही मिला उसको। बैठ के दिल में ओ माँ, बैठ के दिल में ओ माँ, लौट के ना जाना, माँ सबको दुआ देना, सबको दुआ देना, माँ सबको दुआ देना। जय निरमल माता जी, जय निरमल माता जी, दिल में सदा रहना, माँ सबको दुआ देना। मानव में अवतर के कर दिया उजियाला, माँ कर दिया उजियाला। कलयुग में माया है, कलयुग में माया है, फिर भी पहचाना, माँ सबको दुआ देना, सबको दुआ देना, माँ सबको दुआ देना। जय निरमल माता जी, जय निरमल माता जी, दिल में सदा रहना, माँ सबको दुआ देना। संत जनों की धरती है भारत माता, माँ है भारत माता। इस धरती पर आकर, इस धरती पर आकर, दुख से दूर करना, माँ सबको दुआ देना, सबको दुआ देना, माँ सबको दुआ देना। जय निरमल माता जी, जय निरमल माता जी, दिल में सदा रहना, माँ सबको दुआ देना। जब दिल में आए तब मधु संगीत सुन लो, माँ मधु संगीत सुन लो। हो य सके जो सेवा, हो य सके जो सेवा, हमसे करा लेना, माँ सबको दुआ देना, सबको दुआ देना, माँ सबको दुआ देना। जय निरमल माता जी, जय निरमल माता जी, दिल में सदा रहना, माँ सबको दुआ देना, माँ सबको दुआ देना, माँ सबको दुआ देना। त्वमेव साक्षात् श्रीमहालक्ष्मी महासरस्वती महाकाली त्रिगुणात्मिका कुण्डलिनी साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्रीकल्की साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्रीकल्की साक्षात् श्री सहस्रार स्वामिनी मोक्षप्रदायिनी माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः।
बोलो श्री आदिशक्ति माता जी श्री निर्मला देवी की जय। Let us all bow down to Shri Mataji and then be in meditation for some time. நாம் அனைவரும் ஸ்ரீ மாதாஜியிடம் வணங்கி தொடர்ந்து தியானத்தில் இருக்கலாம். Shri Mataji, we thank you very much for giving us this collective meditation session today. Shri Mataji, இன்றைக்கு இந்த கூட்டு தியானத்தை கொடுத்ததற்கு கோடான கோடி நன்றி தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறோம் தாயே. இப்பொழுது நாம் கூட்டாக குண்டலினி உயர்த்தி பந்தன் செய்து கொள்ளலாம். Let us collectively raise the kundalini and put ourselves to bandhan.